Welcome to Babson Connect Worldwide 2024 Singapore. BCW has served as a catalyst for bringing together Babson's global community of over 44,000 alumni and friends in over 128 countries.
Babson Connect Worldwide is the premier global summit for entrepreneurs. At Babson, we create entrepreneurial leaders who impact communities everywhere. You make us an everywhere institution.
Great energy in the room. The conversations actually were fantastic, and really looking forward to the rest of the day and tomorrow.
I'm so impressed, energized, and most importantly, inspired. And this really represents Babson's global impact.
Fantastic, so good to see old friends. Already met some new people, and a few of the speeches were really inspiring.
The community being so small, you connect with people beyond business and beyond the industry you're working on.
It's an honor to be with you in such an innovative and inspiring place like Singapore. Singapore is a cultural melting pot, much like Babson, rich with traditions and backgrounds and experiences from around the world.
Singapore is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful, wonderful people, wonderful food, wonderful culture.
We're gathering here in this wonderful event to exchange ideas, network, to meet one another.
Unlike the world where some leaders are de-globalizing, Babson believes in globalizing, and it is connecting the world across. Babson generates the highest number of entrepreneurs and therefore generates innovation, enthusiasm, and a better future for the globe in general.
It's really inspiring to see people that have made it to the other side and having a support system, that level of encouragement.
I want to also take this opportunity to wish you all a happy Lunar New Year in the Year of the Dragon. This highlight of the evening also celebrates an important ritual in Chinese tradition believed to bring good luck and drive away negativity. This year is special as it brings good luck, especially for people who intend to start new businesses. May this year bring us all good luck. We have all come together from around the world to connect and be part of panels which have shared diverse perspectives, inspire entrepreneurship, and help build lasting connections.
The energy at BCW has been spectacular. It's been very transformative. I've been so inspired. It's like I found my people, which is a beautiful thing.
They feel like a family. They all feel like mentors, even though we met them yesterday. They're all willing to help, and I think the Babson community really does that to people.
I'm so excited, inspired by the generation of students at Babson and all over the world to make change, create economic and social value.
You get to mingle with so many cultures, people from all these countries, and you get to reconnect with your friends.
Our founder, Roger Babson, once said, "It is wise to keep in mind that neither success nor failure is ever final." I challenge you to explore new things, make new connections, and share your expertise with our community as we learn and gain new inspiration together.